Turf grip, clamping tongs for reliably gripping artificial turf. They help to save a lot of effort when the turf webs are moved, aligned and stretched. Turf grip is available in different widths. Glue Fix, the tried and tested device for applying a glue coating. It applies reliably and simply the exact amount of glue to the seam tapes for the artificial grass.
Okay.
When Glue Fix is moved instead of the tape strip itself, long straight seams can be glued more easily and much more quickly. The results are really impressive. Seam Fix presses the artificial turf onto the tape strip to ensure that the glue is spread evenly and sufficiently on both the tape and the underside of the turf. The pile fibers are straightened at the seam so that they are not glued. Turf Fix is used for clamping the turf so that the individual webs can be positioned exactly. Any folds or waves can be quickly removed. Turf Fix is particularly easy to use and does not harm the turf. The double-bladed line cutter is for cutting straight lines or circles. The line cutter also allows variable cutting widths. It is used for fully synthetic turf or for short and long pile artificial turf surfaces. Center spots and penalty spots can be cut quickly and exactly with the circle cutter. Diameters of between 60 and 280 millimeters are possible. The piece cut out and the piece inserted are automatically a perfect match. Perfect cutting? No problem with the grass cutter. Whether the turf strips are cut at a curbstone or prior to gluing so that they are flush, the result is always perfect. The edge trimmer is for cutting the turf webs to the exact width. Precise cutting through the sub-base material also allows the made-to-measure adaptation of the turf lines.